Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hi guys. I don't know how many of you are live today. I just want to go live today because I want to show how you can trade on a live market. I can show you some. Let me see whether it's live. Who's watching it? Okay. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hi guys. I think I just want to test whether it's working. Anyways, yeah. So clearly you can see here. Just a minute. I opened the bank Nifty chart here. So this is the 45-200 PE chart and this 44-900 chart. As you can see in the morning, premium shot up like this, came back again, shot up here, came back. Somewhere it created support here and went up again. But before falling, it created kind of an order flow here. You can say this is kind of an order flow. So this is not respected, or it's getting broken out of this zone. I think we can trade this breakout. This will be a breakout because you can see in bank Nifty chart is a clear breakout from the CPR. Here you can see there is only a wick here. There is a green candle. So here clearly it is getting broken out of the CPR. So this is a signal that market can try to fall now. So this is the range. So if it goes up from here, this PE premium shoots up, it will go till here max. So let's see like what entry we can take here. So still waiting. So this is a breakout. It is coming for retest. So the next candle closes above this high, this red candle. Definitely will take a buy on PE side. Target this high, basically 100 points from here. Let's see how it goes. Clearly you can see this is creating order flow, bearish order flow, and orders are getting whatever is getting bought by smart money, and they are taking the market up. Let's see like what happens now. I'll mark 50% of this zone basically. Let us see. Market comes till here. I'll be interested if market can come to this zone basically. Let us see. See, clearly you saw this is a breakout, but I feel there is still accumulating orders to go up. Let us see. Still there is no conviction. If I put the moving averages, it is above the 10 EMA and 20 EMA. Let us see. Definitely this is a good trend. It can break out from this range. Let us see what will happen. Okay, Nifty is actually very bearish today compared to bank Nifty. I was thinking Bank Nifty will hold this level, CPR levels, but yeah, Nifty itself is falling means definitely you can expect more bearishness in the Bank Nifty. So I probably this, but also we'll watch out here because this is also taking strong support here. Uh, I'm just looking at this particular zone. So it has given a breakout of the zone from breakdown from this zone. So basically, if it comes to test here, you can even sell. See, if you're not interested to buy PE and if you just want, if you're a seller options, definitely you can sell 44,900 CE as well from this range and target at least say 30-40 points from here. Let's see. Till now there is no entry in any CE or PE, but market in the verge of doing something now. Breakdown or breakout of this zone. This becomes very crucial now. That is already the breakdown has happened. It wants to retest maybe this area, this green candle. Let us see. But so I can say this is the protected high. This high. If market breaks above this, then the trend has reversed, I can say. So let us see what will happen. So I prefer to see 1 minute chart as well as the 5 minute chart, but I prefer more of 1 minute chart, and I usually don't see the spot chart so much because premiums will tell you the story. Because when you're scalping or doing trading in the option chart, if you're trading in futures or something, I understand you have to go through the main futures chart everything, but if you're doing scalping, better to look at the formation of candles in the option chart basically. Yeah. This is still there is no trade. I'm waiting for an entry on the PE side basically. Yes. Okay. Just watch out this zone basically. If there is a breakout of this zone, you can try and buy with a stop loss of 409 is a stop loss. And if it breaks this zone 421, you can enter immediately. Stop loss being 409, basically this stop loss. Let us see what will happen. Okay. I've entered this one, this trade. The stop loss will be here. Let us target at least 70 points here from here. Let us see. Wow, superb trade. Nice. Immediately after you entered a breakout of this zone, you can see you got 20-25 points. So this is how we predict the psychology. So it's not about any zones or any levels or any support resistance, nothing. It's all about psychology, how markets will move. Right? Let us see. So now I can say this is a kind of a protected low. Okay. Wherever we entered this stop loss. So market breaks this. So this was a good scalping as I saw, but I will be holding the trade till here, or I'll exit when the stop loss gets hit. Let's see. We may not see this kind of volatility in the spot chart, but you can see premium jumped almost 30 points, and again, okay, stop loss hit. This trade was a stop loss hit. Okay, so I just telling you, like, gave you a scalping opportunity of 20-25 points. This is what you want to capture basically. If you wanted to sit on this trade, you could have trailed your stop loss to cost, and you could have exited on cost to cost. Let us see what will happen. Again, I'll be interested in P entry only. Let us see. Because there is this zone basically. Okay. Huge volatility in the market. Very difficult to predict the direction. Let us see. Even though it was a very small candle, grey red candle, still the premium was red. I don't know what kind of a. Some minute, I'll just show you. Okay. Which reversal? Looks like a reversal point from here. Let us see. See, even if you want to enter P side, C side now, it's not very safe. Let us, why I tell you, because this high what you are seeing here is still protected only. Okay, so this low is also protected. Once this low gets broken, we can think about C side. Let us see. Okay, I think we can enter P side. Let's see. I think it's reversing from here. Yes. Okay, I think it has taken out the liquidity of this candle. It is in a proper zone actually where we can be. Let us try and look and target this 444. Okay, I want this candle to close above this. Okay, so I will enter once. Okay, I can enter here basically for a scalp. Stop loss below this, target this. Let us see. Very quick actually. Be very quick. Let us see. Okay, still in cost to cost. Let us see. Okay. The only way to survive in this market is through scalping, as I told you. We have to be very quick and we have to be very alert. Whenever you see a very big red candle and the next candle is getting reversed from there, and the trend is like this upside in any chart, be it C or P chart, try to look for reversals. Because already there is a downtrend. There is an established downtrend, right? Already it has clearly a downtrend from you can see from many days. It came down, did some consolidation, again coming down, broke this low as well. Okay, let us see. So if this is your first target, the second target will be somewhere here. Let's say 7, 1:7 you can take. Okay, you can target this high. Let us see whether it is going to give this or not. Let us see. You can take the first target here basically. After that post you have to trail your targets. You can target this high as well, but let's see how it goes. Right now trade is in our favor already. I think 10 points we are in profit. Okay, good. So It's going up pretty well. Clearly, you can see the candles are playing. It's not giving any kind of momentum. Let's see. Definitely, momentum is downside only. So high chances we will should move up from here, but not sure like what is happening. Mm-hmm. This should be a very good trade if it goes up from here. I think Bank Nifty will come to I think somewhere around this previous day low or somewhere. Let us see. At least you should test this level 44,663. I'm waiting for that. But seems like it doesn't want to go up now. Let us see. The problem is it's going in a very straight trend line, right? So definitely it will do all kinds of SL hunting whenever you find a clear trend like this going up slowly like this. Definitely people have stop losses below these trend lines. The problem is that so when you're operating with a very tight stop loss, so we entered somewhere here 399 and our stop loss is 380, 10 points. So but you are targeting around 68 points. Let us see. So this is how we have to trade, otherwise it will be completely kind of gambling here, because unless you know scalping techniques, it becomes difficult to predict the market, because you can see how many swings it made market today. Morning came down, first swing, second swing, third swing, fourth swing, fifth swing, already 5 swings, and market has done nothing. It is still in the same place where it was in the morning, almost 20-30 points. Actually where it closed yesterday, it's still there only. There's nowhere else. It's been dancing here only. So this is my target. Let us see what will happen. I already told you this is my stop loss. Let us hope we get some good trade here. So this is the game, friends. So if you are doing scalping, the good thing is you'll get profits very soon. Okay, but if you trail it and try to exit with 10-20 points, you'll get it. Aram se you'll get it. But you have to be very quick. Secondly, you should exit with a very small stop loss. You can't wait for market to do all this. Already 3-4 minutes is over. See, I didn't expect this. I thought at least it will do like this and go like this in 4-5 minutes. Let us see. This momentum is getting slow now. Should have gone down by now, but yeah, let us see. So what is Nifty doing? Let us see. So stop loss is somewhere near 388. Okay. Nifty clearly you can see it's coming down. It's come down very well today. even though it's all dirty swings what we saw here. But yeah, so this is what it is. Target this high first, it is 444, then you can target this 467. Let us see how it goes. Good, going well, showing a sign of strength here. Clearly it's a very good sign of strength, even if you see the candle closure. This is a problem. If you're trading in the 1 minute charts, just a minute, I think that this one is hanging. Let this trade run. Okay, but here you can see Nifty is reversing from here. This is a problem. Nifty has already started reversing. PSU banks have started. Okay. Okay, good. I don't think so. Any channel on YouTube will trade with you live on the option chart. I'll just show the spot chart and try to give some levels and all that. This is the first channel in the YouTube which is showing you live how to trade with option chart basically, without even seeing the spot chart. So you don't have to see the spot chart or the futures chart every time. This whatever option chart will clearly tell you the psychology of the market. Really, you don't have to see the spot chart. I hardly look at the spot chart because see, these basically R1, R2 levels. Okay, these are very crucial, I understand, but if you see the option chart clearly will give you the picture where it's going. It will do the same thing what spot chart is doing in lower time frame. In fact, it will give better picture than spot chart because most of the time we can see a lot of green candles, red candles here, but the option chart will be showing a completely different picture compared to what is shown in spot chart. Somewhere you'll be seeing some green candle here in the option chart in the spot chart, but if you see here in the CE chart, you'll be showing a red candle. So these are the kind of divergences what we have. Let us see what will happen. Still the trade doesn't have any momentum. It should have gone by now. Let us see. Clearly no momentum here. See here, for example, this candle is turning green, right? If I put the 5-minute chart, okay, it's breaking it down. Okay. Let's see. Why this is happening, I'll tell you. Basically, whenever market gives a momentum, those who have put the stop loss below this candle, okay, they would have shifted this stop loss to cost, basically. So when they do it, market will come and take their stop loss and go up again. The high possibility market can reverse and take the momentum now because psychology, because people who have entered on this red candle, say on this green candle, would have kept the stop loss below this, correct? So after it has moved so much, definitely they would have shifted their stop loss to break even. So what market did is it came and took the stop loss, hands going up, that's it. It is high probability now, it can go like a rocket. This one candle can make a very big move. I'll tell you, it may be, because I have seen that kind of scenario happening every time in Bank Nifty. Whenever you trail your stop loss to the cost or break even, it'll touch that, it'll take the stop loss and reverse from there. So always once the trade is going positive, never immediately don't take the stop loss and keep it to cost, because you'll miss the very big momentum. Wait for some break of structure or something to the top side. See, you can, once this high is broken, if you want to trail, keep the stop loss somewhere here, this high or somewhere, trail the stop loss. Okay, good. What I told you. See, once it touches the cost, this candle high or low, see how it is jumping up. I'll tell you what are the indicators I'm using here. Basically, I have around 4 indicators, 5 indicators basically, nothing but I'll put everything, not a big deal. Okay, just a minute please. So this particular indicator called awesome oscillator. Okay, AO, you can search for this free indicator. Just a minute guys. See, the trade is running very well. Okay, it must go now. Yes. So this awesome oscillator is a very famous oscillator indicator which will give you the clear direction of the market. Basically what it says is, if the market is in a bull trend, these candles will form on the upper side of the indicator. If the candle is in downtrend, basically it will show you what is the momentum in the market. And if these candles are very big candles like this, that means big red candles are coming. So you can see here it is increasing in the size, right? So selling is happening very rapidly. So when the increasing reduces, the size will start reducing here, you can see, and it will go to the upper side. So this is one of the indicator. Okay, the trade is running very well as per our plan. Okay, clearly you can see that. Okay, I think you can now trail your cost, your SL to cost and transfer here. Now we are risk free actually. Your trade is risk free. Basically, whatever you are earning right now, you can exit at cost. Even if the trade goes against you, don't worry. Basically, you will not lose anything. See, mainly the intention of this trading is not only to make profit. You also should not make any losses in the like. So when you keep your stop loss in such a way, you have to keep it such a way that you should not hit. Stop loss should not be hit, and as well you should be able to make some profit. So once you can book your partials here, basically at 444 you can book 75 for 50 to 75% of your whatever positions here, like 444, and you can trail the remaining. Suppose you have taken 1000 lots, we can book 750 lots, 750,000 quantities, you can book 750 quantities here at 444. Okay, and just mark that here, and you can trail the rest till, as I told you here. Okay, suddenly market somewhere from anywhere it will start keep reversing. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, so this is the one indicator I use generally. Second is this VWAP. VWAP doesn't work on spot chart in broker platforms. It only works on trading view platform, because VWAP is basically based on volumes, right? Somehow this in trading view we have volume data for spot chart as well. I don't know how they get it, but yeah, maybe they get the volumes from the futures chart. Maybe I don't know what is this one. So there is one indicator. So other indicator is the CPR indicator. As you know, it's a very famous indicator. You can search for that. I'm using it. I'm using this indicator. It will also give you the next day CPR also clearly. It can give you monthly, weekly, daily, all CPRs will be there. Okay. So next is a MA. Basically, I have plotted all the 10 MA, 20 MA, 50 MA and all that. Basically, I have generally I don't use this, but when doing scalping. But if I want to hold positions for a long time, say like 1 week, 15 days, all that, I'll do this on an hourly chart. Basically, hourly chart I use this. Okay, basically, so it will give a good trend whenever there is a breakout of this zone. You can see I'll just hide the other indicators. Hourly chart, if there is a breakout of this is a crossover of candles. Okay, I think you'll have to maybe I don't think so it will go and hit your stop loss. Let's see. This is a problem with scalping. The problem with the bank Nifty is it's becoming highly unpredictable. It's completely dirty swings what we are seeing here. Most dirty swings here. This is not giving particularly any kind of trend. Just bluffing. It's going up, coming down, going up, coming down. I don't know what is the reason for this. Yes. So I think if you had captured just as a scalping without trading and all that, generally I don't do that. 34 points should have got basically. Let us say trade is still running because it's not hit our stop loss of cost to cost, because we entered here somewhere. Okay, let's see. Not it. I think it's again reversing from that point. Let us see. So this indicator I use in a higher time frame for confirmation, since in this crossover happens and candle starts to trade above it, it will give a good trend. So anywhere you can see here, it's a good positive trend. So these are all dirty trends. Here you can see it has a good breakout. Channel started going upside like this, so you could have traded this, but yeah, it all depends on. But don't use this setup in a lower time frame, because there's no guarantee that it will work in lower time frame. I think that's what. So if you are doing a scalping, you have to trail your stop losses very tightly. Then only I think you'll get some trades, get some points, 20-30 points. That's it. Other than that, I don't think so market can sit for a good trend and wait for some 100-200 points. It will become very difficult. Okay, then I think it's hit your stop loss, so you can close this trade as well. So yeah, so 2 trades what I told you was a good scalping trade. So I told you to enter here. I think you got around 27 points. It all depends whether you booked or not. That's what in scalping you have to book very quickly, and you don't have to wait. Anyways, but I don't prefer that, because sometimes when you don't trail your stop loss and wait for the big moments, you'll get very good momentum. to top side. You can see here it's a very good movement, right? So always think from that angle, because even if you take your stop losses or small stop loss or break even stop losses, what matters is um, your loss may be 5 point 10 points, but when you make a profit it should be very big, 100 points, 150 points, like that. That should be the aim, because ultimately at the end of the day what matters is should end up in green, not just capturing some trend or something. Finally, after deducting all your stop losses, you should be in a positive position. Let us see. Seems like it's a very difficult trade today. Let us see. Clearly I can see, I think this reversal is because of Nifty, I guess. If I go to Bank Nifty, it's not very strong reversal, but Nifty is the culprit here. I can clearly see Nifty is the culprit. Why Nifty is reversing here? Let me check. The level. Okay. Nifty went to this previous day low and reversing from there. So be aware of this. Whenever you trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty, other chart basically also plays a very important role for scalping. So it's not easy. So Indian markets are not never going to be easy. The two with the VIX at such a D1 went to today 10.7 maybe. It becomes increasingly difficult because hardly it will give any. Even VIX is doing sideways momentum today. Just like our chart. It's quite funny. Okay. Let's see. I'll try to look for some C opportunity now. Let us see. Try to buy here, somewhere here. Okay. I'll wait for some confirmation. If you are not very sure about holding the position, just take whatever 20-30 points, whatever you get, and exit the trade. Don't hold it, because if you trade with good quantities, say 500 to 1000 quantities, you don't have to sit and wait for big trade. Okay. And let us see, like this is coming to our zone where we can buy. This kind of imbalance is there in this zone. You can say order block kind of thing. Okay. Not yet. Let's just come down a bit still. If it comes around 107, I'll keep 3 rupees stop loss, 104, and try to take this trade. Let me see. So this should be my entry. So stop loss, I'll target somewhere. This zone, maybe 1:7. Okay. Let's see. And I have not yet got the entry right now. Let us see. See, also you can clearly see, just a minute, I think. Okay. So here you can clearly see small red candles and becoming doji candles. That means somewhere I think the sellers are not interested to push the market down. I feel somewhere that momentum is not there. So this is again and again reversing from using this wick. See. See this strange thing here. Okay. See, even this red candle in 1 minute is forming a red candle in P chart also. This is very strange actually. Let us try to look for C side entries, because somewhere we can see this zone is respected by the market and it is reversing from there, but not sure really like how it goes. But the way it has fallen clearly with a lot of resistance, going up is not easy for market here. Still no entry into our area. Let us see. This is a problem with we wait for confirmation and then enter. Problem is sometimes if the market is very bullish, it will not even give an entry, it will just go like a rocket, and after it has gone like a rocket or broken out of some certain zone, it becomes very difficult to enter because stop loss will be very huge. Nifty is very strong. Nifty is, it is taking support from previous yellow and reversing like clean reversal, what we can see. Okay guys, let us target this. If we are getting this, then good, otherwise difficult now, because we have to wait for, I think if we're not getting momentum now, 1 o'clock on 15, I think this market will remain sideways. You can clearly see it has formed a range here, big range. Yes, such a big range is formed. Market will definitely play in this range for because see, it has made a good momentum to the upside in this chart. Same, it has made a good momentum to the downside. So I think most of the trade would have gone completed here. Let us see. It should consolidate here, or it will give a breakdown or breakout from this zone. Let us see. Another 10-15 minutes we'll wait. If we're not getting any trade, definitely market is going to remain sideways for at least another 40-45 minutes. Let us see. I think this will be a very big breakout. So Bank Nifty has started reversing as well. The footsteps of following the footsteps of Nifty. Let's see. So it's again reversing from this bottom to here. It will do this dancing for another half an hour. Take it from me. It will play like this for some time. I don't tell what time. It will play like this. Minimum half an hour. It will play like this. So when you're trading indexes like Bank Nifty, Nifty and all that, it is a very time bound instrument, right? Time bound market where it will only work for 6 hours in a day, and again it will open. Problem with another problem is it will open with a huge gap up or gap down next day, since it is not traded for the whole day. So most of the, see, whatever principles I'm showing you, order flow and all that, it's all completely based on forex market, how it works. But generally most of the principles will work, but sometimes right, our index is quite manipulated, and see, for forex and all, USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, and all these big foreign currency pairs, we have a lot of liquidity and a lot of volume in the worldwide market, because all over the world it is traded. So it becomes extremely difficult for people to manipulate it, because a lot of big institutions will be playing in these instruments. But Bank Nifty, it's like only an Indian instrument, Indian market, right? So the two, it's based on, it's not a stock or something, or say it's not a index, sorry, it's not a foreign currency pair, forex pair. It becomes very difficult. Okay, I think we are getting an entry here. Let us see, somewhere here. Okay, I'm also interested in Bank Nifty if the P chart breaks this part. I'll be watching out this zone as well. So this zone is also equally important for me. Let us see. If it breaks out of this zone and starts trading upside with some strong green candles, definitely I'll look for P entry as well. But right now my conviction is more on C side, because Nifty is reversing. Very difficult to trade this kind of a market. This is the lowest time frame we can trade using these brokers with it, because if you go to forex and all, you can even trade 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds and all that. Through trading view we can get a view, but if you go to our Indian brokers, they won't give you tick by tick or second by second chart here. Now you can see here the least chart, the time frame is 1 minute. So what I told you, right? So if it forms a big range like this, it will play here for some time. So my view is, if it breaks out of this zone from here, okay, watch out this zone, try to buy somewhere here, this zone. First it has to break out of this 415 high and close somewhere with a candle, green candle. Okay, you can place stop loss as 389, take entry at 408, so it's a kind of 20 point stop loss, and you can target 20 into 6, 120 points, 1:6 or 1:7 based on your appetite, risk appetite basically. So my trade will be somewhere here. So I'll put this one here. I'll take the stop loss here around 24 points. So I'll target 1:6. So this is the kind of setup I'm getting. I'll be interested. Otherwise difficult. I'll just do scalping of 10-20 points. That's it. Here I want to enter somewhere here. As I already put the chart here, I'll be targeting this zone. So stop loss is very less here. Target is here. Okay, guys. I just want to show you this, how it works. How I do this scalping basically, because what we do in live market is very important compared to what we do the analysis, post market analysis. Anyone can do basically, because they know this complete story what happened in the market today. But it becomes very difficult to trade on a live market. So I just wanted to show you guys how I trade in the live market. I think if you have found this video useful, or you understood something from this, or you want to take out, use these concepts, let me know. I'll teach you. I can come on live trading daily. I can show you for some time, 15-20 minutes. I can show you some new techniques, how to do scalping and all that. Let me know if you found this video useful with your comments below. Thank you.